Good morning, sunshine. This has been me the last couple of days, accepting the challenge of a cold swimming pool. Actually, during the month of October, I ran the pool heater twice. 3 hours on Friday and 3 hours on Saturday. And on Saturday, I got the gas bill. In September, we turned on the heater twice, just like this month. Our usage in September was nearly 60 therms. September last year was only 22 therms. The August bill was about $60, and the September bill was $90. There you go. The other day, I videotaped a grasshopper swimming and slowed it down so I could draw a picture. The grasshoppers got really big this year in my big backyard, and they really liked hanging out in the mustard green patch. Here's my image of the grasshopper stroke. And the party pool picture page with everybody swimming with the grasshopper. On Sunday, I got to be with my mother and my sister. And we chuckled about my daddy showing our home movies backwards. And so the spit up goes out and the spit up comes back in. And he would just reverse it on the Bell and Howell. And we could do the same thing with the dog walking and Eddie eating a donut. And I shared that with my children a couple of years ago. And see, we went backwards and everybody's laughing in the background. But you can also hear the sound of the projector. Here, I'll show you. This month, I have been working on old home movies. And there's Cricket. Nancy was so teeny tiny.
He kind of reacted to the donut the way I reacted to the yogurt.
Yeah. That was classic. So Monday, I got the idea that I wanted to take my videos and play them backwards. And according to my research, the only way to do that with the digitals is laborious and expensive. So I figured out a different way. The Sony is that it pixelates and you get wavy lines through the image. So that's forwards and that's backwards. Forwards, backwards. Let's try that again. All I did was put the Sony on a tripod and move the mouse backwards carefully. There you go.